Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. We have here a brilliant design. This villa was built to ensure privacy, relaxation and fun. 7 self-contained suites, 6 of which have a bedroom, ensuite bathroom and a kitchenette. Separate electrical and water meters for each suite. The building is fitted with a reception area, main dining room, lounge area, pool and gazebo, separate ancillary staff building with 2 bedrooms, bathroom and kitchen. Just 15 to 20 minutes from Ocho Rios and Duns River Falls respectively, and in close proximity to restaurants and other entertainment spots. This property is versatile, and allows the shrewd investor several options. It can be maintained as a villa, or used for a training facility, a home for seniors with assisted living and so much more. Think outside of the box. A little TLC and your personal touch will allow for creative possibilities. The furniture is being sold separately. Make your offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
The asking price for this house is US $550,000, or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. You can also turn post notification on, to be notified when a new property is available, and also please share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.